Front and rear dual cameras in a compact design with built-in GPS and 4G Wi-Fi. Easy to install, directly install to the front windshield. Features include AI active safety tech, like facial recognition for driver verification and theft prevention. ADAS offers safety alerts such as headway monitoring warning, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, pedestrian collison warning. DMS monitors real-time driver behaviors like fatigue driving, smoking, phone use, distracted driving, and other dangerous driving behaviors. When an emergency threatens the safety of the driver, the SOS button can be used to send an alarm. Remote vehicle viewing via mobile app. Real-time monitoring of vehicle GPS location information and current speed, providing high-definition video recording. Excellent picture quality even at night.